Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Compact Everyday Carry and Gadgets, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Olight PL Mini Valkyrie 2. As you can see, it is in the FDE color, which is really nice because sometimes, I don't know if the same thing has happened to you guys, but sometimes I have a hard time trying to make a build because of the colors. Maybe I have a firearm that I want to match with some FDE, but I can't find the right light, the right red dot. So with these cool colors, it helps you connect the dots. It helps you get the perfect combination with whatever build you're working on. As you can see, we have 600 lumens is the max lumens for this light, and it has a throw of 100 meters, which is very, very nice. Now let's go right into the package, see what you get when you first receive it. Shout out to Olight as well for sending this over. I love Olight. I'm a big fan of Olight. Before I started working with them, I already owned a lot of their products, and they have done really, really well by my side. So, of course, you get the light itself. We'll put that aside for now. You get this nice charging base, which is really nice. Is a USB charging base, USB-C, and you connect. A USB-A. Which you will connect to any little power brick that you have at home, and the charging base will connect directly on the bottom of the light, and it is magnetic, and it's a nice strong magnet as well, so you're not going to have to question yourself whether you left it charging last night, because you will hear a satisfied click once that locks in, which is nice. Down here you got the manuals, and you also get a little Allen wrench to tighten up and to remove these things depending the firearm you want to mount it on. Let's go straight into the light itself. Of course, you get the manual also, and right here you'll get, right here you get another little adapter. Of course, depending the firearm you want to mount this on, you might need to swap out this little thing right here, and that is also made of metal, I believe, which is nice. So you get everything you need to get this mounted on your firearm. As soon as you receive it at home, you don't got to go out and purchase anything extra. And of course, the light, it's the box itself. So yeah, right here you see it's a beautiful, I won't say this is a FDE, this is more like of a burnt bronze, which I love. If you guys follow the channel, you know I have a Glock 19X MOS, and I've matched it with this burnt bronze kind of look, and I love that. Now, as far as first impressions and how it feels to the hand, and if I had to describe this light, right off rip, quality feels amazing. It feels like a tank. It feels very well made. It feels very solid, and it definitely feels like it will take a beating and it will do right by your side. The only thing plastic that I could see right off rip are these two little the buttons in the back, which will probably be protected by the trigger guard anyways. And you have a short press to keep it on, and long press you hold, and as soon as you let go, the light will turn off, and short press, the light will stay on. So that's nice. But yeah, build quality, this thing is really, really solid. Right here is what I love about, I love lights that have this mechanism because it makes it easy. You don't need extra tools. Once the light itself is mounted on the firearm, for you to make incremental changes or to adjust it, all you got to do is loosen this little thing right there. Nice and solid. Feels very sturdy as well. And then you adjust all the way. It could come all the way off as well. So that's nice. So yeah, you could be very precise with the fitting on this light. If you see my previous video where I introduced different weapon lights, this is one of my favorite styles of having it because you could be very precise with the fitting. You won't have those ugly gaps and spaces in between the light and the trigger guard itself. So that is one of the reasons why I love it the most. Also, the fact that it does have the charging contact down underneath the light. You don't got to remove the light to charge it, which I personally like as well. There is some weapon lights where it complicates things. Here, you leave the weapon light attached to the firearm, or you could literally leave this attached to the firearm, slide the light completely off, leave the rail on the light, on the weapon, leave the rail on the weapon, and just remove this. That way you could store your firearm and keep it in a safe place, safe from you have kids in the house or anything like that, and just take the light with you and leave the light charging wherever you have the charger at. And when you're ready to go back into use, you just get it right back on and you're ready to rock and roll. So that is super, super nice. I'm gonna keep this video nice and short, nice and sweet. And I will be doing a follow-up video. I'm working on a few builds, and this is definitely going to be featured on one of the builds. So yeah, keep a lookout for that. Shout out to Olight. They are doing wonderful things. They just released a really nice new weapon light as well, which is for full size, bigger size firearms. Hope to get my hands on one of those as well. But yeah, the PL Valkyrie Mini 2. This is also a home run of a firearm for them. I definitely like it. And like I said, follow the channel if you're not already part of the family. I will be doing a follow-up video where I'll have this mounted on a firearm itself. Show you guys kind of how it looks, how it functions, and how it fits as well. It will fit a bunch of different firearms, especially because of the way that it has that rail mechanism, which makes it very useful and very easy to set up on a variety of different firearms. But that's it for now, guys. This is the Olight PL Mini Valkyrie 2. This is version number 2, so it's definitely upgraded and way better performing and a better way of mounting as well. Check it out. Let me know down in the comments if you guys have any specific questions for this specific light, or if there's any other lights that you guys might want me to feature on the channel, or any products that you want me to check out. Let me know down in the comments. I'll make sure to answer you guys. That's it for now, guys. Thank you guys for watching Compact Everyday Carry and Gadgets. I'm out of here. God bless.